welcome to another vlog. Welcome to another week. Today is Sunday. I stepped out today. I couldn't show you my outfit. I couldn't get ready with you guys because I was running super late. I also went to Whole Foods after, so I'm going to show you some of the things I got from there, and then we can come back and take this makeup off, okay? Let's do a quick haul of everything I got from Whole Foods. I couldn't wait to get home to have a bite of this braided brochet. I hope I'm not butchering the name, guys. Braided brochet. I already ate this in the car on my way coming. That's how much I wanted to devour this. So yeah, 10 out of 10. Okay, 9.5. Just so I can keep the 5. These are all the yogurts I got from Whole Foods. These are my favorite yogurts, okay? Unfortunately, they didn't have the bigger ones, so got this. Oh, there's more. I got this no sugar uncured turkey baking. We love baking in this house. This is my first time. I'm going to try this and see if I like it. I'll let you guys know if I like it. It's also a savory turkey, breakfast sausage, whatever, you know. I'm going to try this. Maybe tomorrow we're going to have breakfast. Tomorrow I'm going to make breakfast with you guys and we're going to try this together, okay? No, not tomorrow morning. We are fasting. Okay. And then the last thing I got is this organic oats. This is a whole grain oats cereal for my son. I tried oats for him today. He liked it, but I guess it was too much in his mouth. With my daughter, what I did was I would blend the normal oats that I eat, but I just want something quicker and easier. So the right place for me to have gone is Whole Foods. They have organic stuff. So yeah, why not? Okay, guys, this was a very quick in and out shopping, so it didn't really need a lot of things. So maybe next time when I go and I have a lot of things, we can do a longer haul. So yeah. Went for my daughter's school event and they gave her some stuff. I don't want to bore you guys with all of these things because I know that's going to be pretty boring for us to go through everything, but if you're not a mom, I think this is going to be really boring for you. We're going to open this some other time. I just want to be sure that I have them here. Guys, I wish I could show you around. This is my first time coming out of the snow storm. It's crazy out here. I need to go pick up my mail. I have an important mail, so I'm gonna pick it up. It's really, really cold. It's freezing out here. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. This is my first time coming out, okay? It's been 4 days. But I had a call from this brand, and well, I had an email and they said they sent something over, so I have to. Ah! I almost fell. Oh my god. I almost fell, you guys. I almost fell. I have to wear these again because my hands are freezing. Oh my god. I needed to rush out, go get the mail so that it doesn't freeze. I know that it's liquidy. I knew what they had in there, so I didn't want it to freeze. I had to run out. Okay, that was how come you guys saw me going outside and I almost fell. But guys, it's been snowing. It's been really snowing. This is the most snow I have seen pouring since I came here, like consistently. What is wrong with my daughter? Why is she screaming? Okay guys, excuse me, I'll be right back. So when they reached out to me, they said they wanted me to be one of the first people to try this before the launch. And I'm like, what are you guys talking about? You want me to be a part of the people you have selected to try this product? So this is gentle on the skin, big on glow. This is the Skin Refine Gentle Pore Clearing Serum. Oh my god, this is a pore serum. I love it. I love a pore serum because you know what? My pores have widened up since having children, and I think it's the hormones that are imbalanced. I remember doing my research and asking my doctor, I'm like, why are my pores so big right now? Like, I can see them, they're so visible. And before I had babies, they were there, but they were not as visible as now. And so yeah, even though sometimes it's like all I can do is like have products that can minimize the pores but not take it away permanently. I don't think these pores are going anywhere. The moment you have pores, it's not going anywhere. I don't think it's going anywhere, but it can minimize, you know. There could be products used to minimize the appearance of the pores that I know. So yeah, this has mandelic acid. It has 8% mandelic acid to exfoliate the skin, even tone and smooth texture. They do not compromise quality. I'm just gonna do some editing because I'm super tired. Also, I'm looking for this brush that I got